Hello. In this session, I'll explain how to use different string operations expression while writing our program. First is string chaining. String chaining helps to concatenate multiple strings into one string. Earlier, we are using concatenate statement before 7.4. Now, what we can do, we can use this ampersand symbol to concatenate different strings into resulted string. Another new concept introduced is string template. Think about earlier when you need to concatenate one string value with a numeric value. What we are having to do is to convert the numeric value to a string value. We need to declare another variable of type string and assign it. Then we can use the concatenate operation because the concatenate needs each of the operand should be of string data type. Otherwise, it will give syntax error. This has been taken care in new syntax where we can use the expressions and the string template. This pipe symbol, whatever inside this pipe symbol, we call it string template, and the variables we can put inside the curly bracket to be termed as expressions. So even it's a numeric value, so no need to worry because of the expressions it will be added, and template string template takes care of that. So string template helps to concatenate both numeric and non-numeric values instead of having declaration of additional variables to convert the non-numeric to string data type and concatenate. We can do on the same line. So obviously the number of lines of code is reduced using this template, string template. Then comes string replace. String replace before 7.4, the syntax was replace occurrences and the string that to be checked against which string, this is the main string, and replace with made. So search for one and replace with made. In new syntax, it is similar. So first is the text and search for is the sub search for, and replace with is the with parameter for that function, and occurrences we can see 0 means replace all occurrences. We need to just understand how to use this function. One good thing is this replace function can be used inside the if statement as well. We do not need necessarily one statement to have this replace functionality to realize the replace functionality. Rather, inside the if condition, inside any statement also this replace can be used, similar to substring. Substring before 7.4, we need to I declare two variables, one variable to hold the string and another variable to hold the substring, the part of the string. And we are using the offset and length to identify from which position up to how many characters we need the substring. In new syntax, we can use a function, substring function, and we can give the string in the val and offset, we can give the value, the parameter offset, and to the length we can give. So both will result in the same output, and similar to the replace or any other string functions, this can be used inside a statement, other statement like if statement or any other expression. This can be called out. It does not need to have a separate statement. So there are two advantages. One line you can write, and additionally you can call it any place. That's all about string functions. There are so many string functions available. These are frequently used: string templates, string substring, and a chaining operator. And we also have replace function. Thank you for watching.